Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to enable smart charge on Huawei P60 Pro phone. To enable this option, we have to go to our settings on the phone here. Next, we have to scroll down until we see battery options right here. Tap once. Next, we have to scroll a little bit down until we see battery health options here. We need to go in here. Smart charge is now disabled. To enable it, we have to just tap it once to enable it. Box is checked, smart charge is active, and it will be useful for us and our battery's health. To turn it off, we just have to tap it once. We have a little note here. Okay. Let's leave it on. That is all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.